Good morning to all. Today we will see how to do plagiarism check of our project on Moodle. So we will go to Moodle website, that is ELMS. So once we receive to Moodle website, so in every here on dashboard there is a project to mechanical. So I am giving the example of mechanical, how to do uh, plagiarism checking of any kind of report paper that we will see. So I will click on that, go to submission part. Here there are names of the B mechanical students. So I can click to any student's submission and I can submit their papers, reports, and I can get the similarity index. So for that purpose, what I will do, I will go to my students, roll number 14. So I will click here. There is submit paper button. So I will submit one paper. So here I can click file, choose file. I have one paper with me in a download. So I will go to download, documents, and one abstract with us to just check how we can use this. Once go to add submission. So title, you can see a paper. So whatever the title you want to give, suppose it is a project report, you can write project report and go to submit. So it goes to submit to Turnitin. Okay, so Turnitin is available in our library, so it is connected directly to the library. So it is uploading my submission. We need to wait for a few minutes, and it will give me the similarity index, how much similarity index is there and how I can do that. So mostly it is used where when students are submitting any kind of seminar report, project report, or any kind of paper. So at that time we can do it, we can use from the Moodle itself. So for that purpose it is one kind of assignment how to use. So it is a submitted, your submission has successfully submitted to Turnitin. So thank you. Now I will available the similarity report. Yeah, it is 54%. So it means I need to work lot. So just I will check. Oh, it is Turnitin agreement. So I agree. Let's update. Yeah. Then it will be like this. So how I can download, you can go to download button and current view. So I will get one kind of similarity index report. So here paper 2 open when done. So this is the report I am getting it, and here you can see 54% similarity index, and what it include references. So while submission we can extrude these references also. How we can do, just we will do it here in, just check submission information grid. There is one button, yeah, but we can do it, so I need to close it. Okay, so it is all about how we can do plagiarism checkup. Okay, so again I will go here, let me do any kind of setting if I can do. So here I will come again, it will ask me feedback. It is similarity tool. Yeah, it is important, similarity tool. What I have to extrude? Match. Yeah, filter and setting, extrude sources. So this is very important. No source is available here. So suppose most of the time what happens, it will take just name of the college also. So in that we can do it. Close. Okay, so this is important. So 54 matches, all sources. Yeah, and here you can use extrude sources. Then yeah, most of the things are from the references. So extrude sources, so you can use here filter and setting. So here you can extrude bibliography, so that apply and change, because most of the time it is not required. Then what another, so just like I have mentioned, it will take Army Institute of Technology also in the report. So again go to extrude, so here filter again, include codes, just I will check, then apply changes. Again it is 21, submitted to iGroup, just let me check. Okay, again I can see the original 12% or whatever the 21% I am getting. But in plagiarism you can neglect this part also, so we will see how we can do it. Again you can go here, so it's new version which is having 21%. Okay, and which is submitted to iGroup, it means here our group. Okay, so it means it is 100% original. It can show from this checkup. So it's all about how to do a similarity index. So if you refresh it, so it will give the correct figure. So page 1, go to submission, second page, I think yes, it is updated now. So this is the way by which we can uh, update our plagiarism checkup, and how to check any kind of report, whether it is assignment, whether it is a paper, whether it is a any kind of report. So it's all about from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.